Hey guys, what's up? So I'm coming on today to talk about some foods that I'm using to boost my immune system. I talked about in my last video the things that I was going through as far as preparing to detox. So originally I was getting together my diet and just my lifestyle to pre-detox. But as I said in my last video, I've been sick 3 different times within 6 weeks. Even before I do a pre-detox, I needed to boost my immune system. So I picked up a few things from Trader Joe's and I just want to share them with you because these are some of the foods that I'm using to do my boost. And they also can be used for pre-detoxing because these are just some of the things that I'm going to use also when I'm ready to go ahead and do the pre-detox. So let's get started. I got some mandarin oranges. This is really good to boost your immune system. And I got organic blueberries. I got some fresh cut pineapple. I got red seedless grapes. I really don't eat seedless grapes anymore, but I just went ahead and picked them up because, sorry, that is my cat doing that. She obviously wants to be petted. But yeah, so I usually get the grapes with the seeds in them. I don't really do seedless fruit anymore, but this was all that they had. And like I said, I'm trying to boost my immune system, so I just went ahead and got them anyway. Those are all of the fruit that I got, so we're gonna move on to the vegetables. So I get this salad kit often. It's the Maduro Cremoso salad kit, and I had got it originally because there was family coming over and I was getting it for them because they've got like a creamy tomato vinaigrette in here, and then they have Parmesan cheese crisp in the salad kit. So because I don't do dairy anymore, I'm not going to be doing either, but I hadn't got it anyway because I can like hold on to the creamy tomato vinaigrette and the Parmesan cheese crisp and use them at a later time when I have company coming over. So this is that salad. And then I got a harvest apple salad kit, and this is a new one. This is the first time that I've seen it at Trader Joe's, but it's got spring mix, cheddar cheese, which I won't be using, apple cinnamon chips, pecans, and apple vinaigrette. So I can use all of that except the cheddar cheese. And it's in a little pack, so I can look at the date and see if I can use it like at a later date also. Organic bell peppers, the red ones. So I'll just use them. I can use them like in hummus or in my salads, or just to kind of add a little extra, or even in my stir fries. I use red bell peppers. Cabbage, because I believe in my last haul I did the red and green cabbage for my stir fry. So I'm doing the green cabbage this time. And then Trader Joe's has an Asian style vegetable stir fry. And this is it. This is my first time trying it. So it's got green peppers, broccoli, red peppers, snap peas, snow peas, white onions, red onions, mushrooms, carrots, bok choy, bamboo roots, and that's baby corn. So I think that's about it. So I just wanted to try it. I usually kind of use like a little bag of things that I like to use as a stir fry, but it's not necessarily for a stir fry. It's supposed to be for a salad, but I use it that way anyway. So I want to try this one also. So I got some organic Brussels sprouts, organic broccoli florets. And I absolutely love these tomatoes. They're Campari. I think that's how you pronounce the tomatoes. I absolutely love these tomatoes. I love it. And then I found a sweet potato pasta salad, and it's with spiced date vinaigrette. And I can't wait to try this because I love sweet potatoes and I love noodles. So I'm really hoping this is going to be really good. And then I just got a cucumber for my salads, or if I want to use it in a hummus. My lighting is acting really strange, but yeah. So I got an organic cucumber. And then because I've been struggling with having a cold, and as I said in my video before the last one, before that one, I was stopping all processed foods because I'm in the process of pre-detoxing. But I went ahead and got a lentil soup, and I really love this lentil soup. With the lentil soup, I love to use, I thin it out a little bit using the Trader Joe's vegetable broth. Got the organic hearty minestrone soup, and I get this all the time. But like I said, because I'm battling a cold, I just wanted some soup on hand, and so I gotta go back to, I have more fruit and vegetables. I kind of overlooked them, but I got some organic bananas for my fruit salads, a bag of avocados, small petite potatoes. These are organic ones, yellow onion and a red onion. So I put these in either salad, stir fries, whatever it is I'm cooking. I just throw into onions because I love the flavor. 2 of their organic creamy cashew yogurt alternatives. This is it right here. And I'm just going to do this with a little bit of granola, probably some blueberries, probably just blueberries. I would normally do it with strawberries, but the strawberries at Trader Joe's, yeah, I wasn't liking the way that they looked this time, so I didn't pick any up. Also got Kimchi, and this is a brand here in the Midwest. I love to do kimchi in my stir fries, and then kimchi is really good for gut health. So guys, that's it for my Immune Boost grocery haul. And we are definitely going to get to the pre-detox and detox. Just give me a little bit of time to get better, you guys, and that my health is just stable, and I'm not, you know, going between having colds or having stomach flus or whatever, and then we will get to the detox because I need a detox. So yeah, guys, that's my Immune Boost grocery haul. So subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday and Friday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and let me know, guys, what you use to boost your immune system. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye, guys.